what I just showed you guys with Tilray, that is pretty much how I work all these option trades. Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, you are welcome. If you're not new to the channel, you are welcome back. I appreciate all of you guys that come back to check out my content, check out what I have to say, and hopefully learn a little something about finance at the same time, even though you have to deal with my bad jokes. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the wheel strategy. I'm going to share with you my trades pretty much for next week. I'm going to put a timestamp on this section of the video so you know when I'm recording this video, because trading information can change from time to time. So that is that. We are going to go over my trade that I put in for next week, and at the same time I'm going to walk you guys through a trade, because I've been thinking about how I can kind of like bring more value to you guys when I talk about the wheel strategy. So I'm going to walk you guys through a trade today, my thought process, my thinking process. We are going to go through all that stuff today. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, like I always say in all the videos. Check out the disclaimer. I'm not saying that I'm not claiming to be a financial advisor. So please check out this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for informational and educational purposes. I really want people to learn how to do this stuff. If we all learn how to do it and we all make money, it's good for everybody in the world. So not financial advice. So we are going to dive right into it. Let's get the phone out here, pull up the Robinhood app, and we are going to just dive right into it. Let me pull up the Robinhood app for you guys. So let's go through just like we normally do pretty much every time I do these videos. Now, the balance is down compared to the last time, but that's because went down, blink charging. Because you guys that watch these videos, you know that I primarily just trade blink charging. Today I'm probably gonna do Riot or Jumia. I haven't made the decision yet. I'm gonna do it right in front of you guys. But anyway, so let's go through this. Right now, we're up $77. For the day, $140. For the week, down $26, and for the month, down $400. The market has just been down like crazy recently. So down $430 for 3 months. But like I always say in all these videos, what matters to me the most, sorry about the news, let me shut that off. So yeah, sorry about the news. I'm into finance. I have to keep up with all these things. So getting back into it, all I'm trying to do is, if I click on 1 year, no portfolio just goes up. No portfolio just goes straight up. There's going to be ups and down movements in a portfolio, in a stock portfolio. It's just the nature of investing in general. There's going to be good days, there's going to be bad days. So you have to be able to take the bad days and make money with the bad days and also the good days. But anyways, my main goal with this portfolio is to grow this over time. Now, anytime I click on 1 year here, I want to be able to see that, okay, this is growing slowly. The average return every year is like 8 to 10%. So if I can get close to that or beat that, that is the main goal here, to just grow this account slowly over time. I know that there's going to be ups and downs, and the value will go up or down a lot because options is risky, So, but anyway, so that is that. This is the current option trades that I have going on. So we have blink charging. Like I always do, I have both sides. So I have the call and I have the puts. And then I have a SPY. I just recently added this. This is a 2023 $620 call on SPY. So we'll keep it and see how it does over those long term. So let's look at Blink charging here, because this is the one that I primarily trade out of. So Blink charging, we are sitting at $37, and it's currently up $1.94. So we're seeing this like uptrend in it now, so which is good. This is the current position, and it's 100 shares. The market value is 3,000, and it's currently down $920 with an average cost of $46.50. So now, because I have this position open, I'm able to trade around it. I'm able to, like the 100 shares that I have, I'm able to sell covered call. And basically covered call is saying that I'm willing to sell the stock, that 100 shares, I'm willing to sell it at a certain price at a certain time. So that's what basic option trading is. Okay. So we have here, and what I have going on here is I have two options open. I have Blink charging, which is I have the 34 puts. Basically, what I'm saying there is I'm willing to buy Blink charging stock at $34. This one right here, 34 puts. I'm willing to buy it at $34. And then I also have the other one, which I'm saying this is right here, 38.50 call. So I'm saying I'm willing to sell my 100 shares. These 100 shares that I have here, I'm willing to sell it for $38.50. Okay, that's what this contract is saying. That's what this second contract is saying. So that is that. This trade, I'm gonna tally up everything once I'm done. But let me just scroll and see what we are looking at. If we look at history here, that trade paid me $102. And then the Blink 3850 trade, that paid $110. So that is pretty much it with the current situation with my Robinhood. And yeah, we're working on it and grinding and trying to grow it. So the next trade that I'm going to show you guys, because I want to show you something live. The next trade that I'm going to show you guys is with Tilray. Now Tilray, we take a look here. We look at their 1 week chart. The lowest we've gotten to in about a week is $15, $15.93, and the second lowest price is $16. So I mean it's pretty much on a downtrend right now. But they have a little bit of a news coming out. They might merge with another company. So who knows? Maybe they will announce that soon and the stock will go up, and I'll be okay with just doing a quick wheel strategy trade on it. So let's take a look here. So what we're looking at, I clicked on trade options, pull up the dates, which is April 30th. And as you see here, that just popped right up. I mean, the stock went up. So this $16 put, if I do that one, I get a $41 credit. There's a 73% chance that particular stock it's going to not get to $16. Who knows? It could get to it, but nobody really knows. So if I want to do this, I'll just click right here, and I have a balance of 2,600. So if I click here and then pop down and just basically go to $40, okay? I usually like to do a cents below so it would go through right away. Hopefully it does. And that's it. And it went through. I got a $40 credit, and that just gets dropped into my account. So that's pretty much what I do. Let me bring this back up. just personally like to have my current trades in the top, so it's easier for me to track. So that is pretty much it, and this is what we are looking like right now. Let's take a look at right here. We're currently up $1,080, and we have this current trades on, so this is the Tilray trade here. So what I'm saying here is I'm willing to buy Tilray at $16, and for doing that I get paid $41. At the bottom you see I get paid $40. I'm sorry, $40. At the bottom you see the credit there. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna tally up all the amount of money that I just made for the week, and you can see, you can see right here in front of you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tally up all the numbers. We're gonna tally up the numbers, and we'll see how much we've made. So 40, that's the Tilray trade, that's 40, and plus 102, that's one of the blink charging trade, and then we have another 110, that's the other blink charging trade, because I have two trades for blink charging, and that puts me at a $252 in credit for my Robinhood account for next week. So here is the actual trades. Tilray, that's $16 puts for Tilray. The first one, see, that is that $40 credit. Then the next one is blink charging, that's 34 puts, and that is $102 credit. And the $7 I got out of last week's trade, and this week's trade as well, it's 30, you see right there, 38.5. I got a credit of 110. So this is where the numbers are coming from. And what I just showed you guys with Tilray, that is pretty much how I work all these option trades. I do the technical analysis, which is right here, as you guys can see. I do the technical analysis and then just analyze to see, okay, where do I think the stock will be? And then I go on Robinhood and look at the actual stock and look at their trajectory and everything, see where I think it would go, and just place my trades based on that. I've traded Tilray before, so this is not new. Let's see. So currently this is the option. I will update you guys next week and see and share with you so you see how this option trading thing works. So yeah, I'll be back next week to share an update with you guys and also show you the following week's trade. So stay tuned for that. So this is the current status of the Robinhood trades. Stay tuned. You are going to love what you see in these videos. So that is pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something. My goal with these videos is to share with you what I'm doing with my finances and hopefully inspire people to look into it more and hopefully build their own. This is just me sharing knowledge, sharing what I know. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a like for me. Give this video a like. It helps me out tremendously. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It tells YouTube that people love what I'm doing. And if you don't like it, you can also dislike and leave the reason why you don't like it in the comments. Maybe I can learn something from you. Okay. So thank you again for watching. Appreciate you. Until next time. See you later. Like always. Love you all. Bye.